Port Antonio in 1, Moran Bay in 2, Calabar 3, Charlemont in 4, Alphansus Davis 5, Kingston College in 6, McCook representing St. Elizabeth in lane 7, and Jamaica College listed for lane 8.
I make Alphansus Davis the favorites for this race. Kingston College, Jamaica College should challenge, and I think the Charlemont team is very, very dangerous.
All right, so those are the teams listed for the sprint medley. And just as it was for the girls, same will go for the boys. The first a 400-meter leg, then 2 200-meter legs, and then the inevitable 800-meter leg. Jamaica College out quickly, and Kingston College as well.
Raheem McIntosh running the opening leg for Kingston College, but Daniel Francis, the central champion, is on the opening leg for Alphansus Davis, and he is super dangerous.
Yep, so as they come inside the straightaway, it's maybe Kingston College leading by way of the stagger, and comes Alphansus Davis now as well. And what a storming opening leg for Alphansus Davis, making it look easy at this point as they hand over first.
It is clear that Alphansus Davis on the boys' side, they know they can't win any other race at Gibson McCook, and so they have come with all their weapons for the sprint medley.
Yeah, this is Tavane Robinson running a storming first 200-meter leg for Alphansus Davis. Jamaica College and Kingston College trying to come back along with the Port Antonio and Calabar. Dijon Main now takes the baton for Alphansus Davis, the black and gold team, formerly Spalding's High.
For this race to have been close, Alphansus Davis needed to be behind going into the anchor leg. They are ahead. There is no way they lose from here.
So they hand over now on the final leg. That is the 800-meter leg. So it's Alphansus Davis from Kingston College, from Port Antonio, Jamaica College, and Calabar.
Nicholas Frederick, the Grenadian, running the anchor leg for Alphansus Davis. Kingston College with Love Joseph. He's gone 157 this season. Port Antonio in the mix as well. They've gone very well to this stage. Anthony Dillon on the anchor leg for them, and Sekani Brown, the former Calabar man, running the anchor leg for Jamaica College. They're in fourth.
If there's one thing about this event, it employs a lot of strategy, a lot of mind games, if you will, and it's always the team that is tactically sound that comes out with the win, as this 800-meter leg is always the decider. So it's Alphansus Davis with Frederick. That's the 400 meters to go now. Jamaica College in second, Port Antonio and KC.
If it's one thing about Sekani Brown, the former Calabar man now at Jamaica College, he's not going to die wondering, and so he's trying to give himself a chance. But Nicholas Frederick is so good over the last 200 meters, and even if Sekani Brown gets close to him, I expect him to just pull away.
Yeah, well, he's pulling away from the field now, is Nicholas Frederick for Alphansus Davis. 200 meters to go, and JC taking in. Can he close? Here, Frederick now stepping on the accelerator as he comes inside the straightaway, looking determined, looking powerful is Frederick of Alphansus Davis. Can Jamaica College come back at them? Not this evening. Alphansus Davis running away with the sprint medley open for boys. Alphansus Davis, formerly Spalding's High out of Manchester, coming across the line now. 3:26.5 at the flash time as JC takes second. Do they? Port Antonio might have got them on the line. And KC coming through for fourth. But Alphansus Davis, what a run from them. And they led all the way this evening, Ricardo.
So close to the record. The Gibson McCook record, 3 minutes 25.99. Alphansus Davis go 3 minutes 26.53. Port Antonio snatching second from Jamaica College. Sekani Brown gave it all he had for Jamaica College. while Anthony Dillon ran a smart ankle leg for the Port Antonio team. Kingston College finishing in 4th position. And what we see here is that although Jamaica College are unlikely to have Samuel Creary, who got injured at the corporate area meet for the 4x800, they are still going after that 4x800 crown because they didn't go with Rashid Price, who is expected to be their medley man in this race. But Alphansus Davis came for the glory and they got it. Brilliant, brilliant effort. Daniel Francis on the 400 leg set it up brilliantly, and Nicholas Frederick, the Grenadian, once he got it in the position that he did with a comfortable lead, there was no one else in this field who was going to get close to him, who could pull back that 10 or 15 meter gap, and so it proved. Outstanding performance from Alphansus Davis.